Hi everyone, how are you? I would like to share how to search a job in Dubai. Uh, I would like to share because I'm searching job. I have worked here 10 years and I have experience. So I would like to share how I am searching the job. So first we will see first important things we have to see websites. What are the websites online free available so that you can apply from out of UAE online. Where I have applied and I got the fast response, I have mentioned these websites. So it is easy for you to apply according to a positions, qualifications, and all. I'm searching for a job in accounting field, so I got very effective response from these interview calls and all very fast. So I'm sharing with you all. And main thing we had to see after applying, we had to see the visa processing, and mostly everyone comes in tourist visa. There are tourist visa for 1 month, 3 months. So you can come and stay. You need to see the accommodation and transportation. So accommodation should be taken near the transportation available because you conveniently need to travel everywhere. So main sources are here, like visa processing is once you can select a trustable agent, he will provide you within 1 2 weeks if all the documents are adequate. And then after that you need to book the tickets. Right now tickets are very costly, so you need to plan according to your budget when you are going to come. So accordingly you can start to apply now itself. Then when you plan to come, so if you plan ahead a bit longer, so the tickets will be little lesser. Right now if you want to come immediately it will be very costly. Now expo is also on, so next things you need to see the accommodation here. Transportation will be available mainly here with metro is very convenient, metro and buses. If metro not connected to the places companies, you can travel through metro to the nearest location, and you can travel by bus or taxi. And then you need to Dubai is very safely. Even night I'm a lady, I can travel everywhere. There's no restrictions or nobody will disturb you because rules and regulations are proper, and very safely I can be independent and comfortable in traveling anytime alone. So it's good for you. uh, Dubai is very safe for you, not to worry. And then you have to attend the interviews. I have given the websites. Some of these websites I get faster response. So I hope so you will like the video, and all the best.